Hi to everyone watching this video. I thought about making this video for the people that's not able to attend Zoom meetings at 4 p.m. and 7 p.m. in the afternoons and at night. And if you are like me, if I want information, I want it now, not 6 hours later. And I can't join meetings at 4 p.m. in the afternoons because I'm still working. And at 7 p.m., I already forgot about everything. Okay, so I hope this video is informative, and if you have any questions, please ask the person that sent you this video. Ask the questions, and we will do our best to assist you in answering all the questions. And if we are not able to answer the questions, we will either get the answers from other people, or we will send you a Zoom link to go and look at a live video, and there you can ask your questions and get your answers directly from people that has been in this business for quite some time. Okay, so let's start. So the 200 Rand Club is basically a company called BCoinWise, who launched last year, and they partnered with a company called Cellbucks, which is a payment technology company that has been operating in South Africa for the last 12 years. So Cellbucks uses payment solutions that is used by not all major, but some major companies in South Africa. I will have a list, if you can see on your screen, this is a list of all the merchants that uses and accepts Cellbucks. And this company, the system, allows people to buy and pay using their platform. It's like a wallet, a Samsung wallet. Okay, so it's a wallet that you use, you get a voucher, you create a voucher for yourself, and you pay with that voucher at a till point. Okay, easy as that, now. So how does BCoinWise work? Now, BCoinWise, you register with them for only 200 Rand. Okay, so the person that sent you this video, if you are interested, you're going to ask him for a referral link. You open that link and you pay through their system. You're going to pay your 200 Rand and you register. As soon as you have registered with your 200 Rand, what you will get is an SMS from Cellbucks with a username and a password that you will create your Cellbucks wallet with. So if you refer people to BCoinWise, you will get a referral commission as well. So on your personal referral link, you will receive a 50 Rand for each referral link. So unfortunately, the company said they will only allow 10 people underneath everyone to participate. So to give every single one in South Africa the chance in this opportunity to also earn extra money. So for that 10 people, you'll receive a 50 Rand. Okay, it's 500 Rand. So you only invested 200 and you are receiving 500 Rand for that 200 Rand that you invested. And you also receive commission on your spending that you do through your Cellbucks wallet, and the people that is underneath you that you referred to BCoinWise. You also get commission on their spending per month. So your referral will be paid to you each and every Friday, and your rewards will be paid to you at the end of every month. I'm going to put on a screen, on my screen, I'm going to put a page on where you will see how it works to, if you refer people, how much you get and how the matrix works. So if you look at the screen at the moment, okay, you will see it gets this referrals, you get paid weekly, and that is each and every Friday. So for every single person, the 10 people that's underneath you with your direct link, you will earn a 50 Rand on your own referral. That's underneath the page, if you can see that. Okay, so at level 1, there's 10 people underneath you where you will receive a 10 Rand, which is equal to 100 Rand. On your level 2, then there's going to be 100 people because it's your 10 people with all their 10 people underneath them, where you will receive a 5 Rand for each and every referral. That will be a 500 Rand. So at level 3, then there's going to be 1,000 people that is referred to this program. And then you will receive a 10 Rand again, which is 10,000 Rand. The level 4 is 10,000 people, which you will receive a 25 Rand, which is equal to 250,000. So only for your referrals at level 4, you get an amount of 260,600 Rand paid into your Cellbucks account each and every Friday. So it's a total of 260,000 that you can make just for paying or investing a 200 Rand into this program. Then you get a commission, I call it rewards, like Absa rewards or FNB eBucks. As every time that you pay with your Cellbucks wallet, you get a percentage back as a reward that you used your Cellbucks wallet through BCoinWise. Okay. Now, the plus side is you also get your rewards for each and every person that is underneath you in your matrix. So the 10 people that's underneath you, the 10 people that's underneath them, and so on and so on. Each and every time that they use their Cellbucks wallet to purchase at any of those major stores, you also get a percentage of that rewards. Nice. So here on the screen, I will show you now where to how the system works and how do you get your rewards. So this is a projection of a team average of a monthly spending of about 1,000 Rand. So your first level of 10 people, you get 0.2%, which is a total of 20 Rand. Not much, but it escalates. The more people you get underneath you, the more money you can make. And I mean, it's a little money for the little work that you are doing for this. Then at level 200, it's a 0.1%. Level 3 is 0.2% again. And your level 4 is 10,000 people. That is 0.5%, which is a total of 50,000 Rand. So if you take a plus minus, if you've got 10,110 people underneath you, and they spend 1,000 Rand at one of those major retail stores, you can earn a passive income of about 50,000 Rand per month. Like I said, it's going to take a while to get there because to get to like 11,110 people is not going to take you a day. Some people do it in a week. Sometimes people do it in a month. Maybe sometimes it takes people about 6 months to a year to get to that level 4. But your aim is to get to level 4. Okay. So now I'm going to put on the screen, if you've got an average spending of 2,000 Rand, that's about 100,000 Rand in your pocket each and every month. A passive income, you guys. Okay. Then I also get asked the question about, do I only get paid when my matrix is full? No, you get paid immediately. So you register with your 200 Rand. The first person that you get under you in your matrix, you get paid that next Friday. You get paid your 50 Rand. Okay. So you as soon as they start using their Cellbucks, the end of the month, your rewards will be paid into your Cellbucks wallet. Okay. If you want to join this 200 Rand club, okay, please go back to the person that sent you this video. Ask them for their referral link. Okay. On that referral link, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to pay your 200 Rand to register. You're going to open the SMS that you got from Cellbucks with your username and your password. You're going to set that up. We will go through the process of how to purchase with your Cellbucks wallet, and also how to create vouchers and how to fund your wallet in another session. Okay, so please, a another thing, just please do not, there's a lot of scams. Do not pay without a referral link. If anyone tells you, okay, this is my banking details, pay it into my bank. No, you do not do that. You pay through the payment referral link that was sent to you. Okay, be safe and be wise. Okay, if you've got any questions, please ask and we will try to answer your questions as soon as possible and as accurately as possible. Okay, enjoy your day. Bye.